A second gen Dodge Dash.
Yeah, ow, got to make a imprint of what you're gonna cut.
Good thing about it is though, you mess up too bad, you can always get another piece of cardboard, you know?
Whoa, yeah, lines right up. You going up.
They out there a few coats.
Yeah.
Oh, some fine black paint.
Be good. There you go. Got me a good tear on that side. Got any more black tape?
This product, look at that.
Just try to fancy it up some.
So,
You can tell.
I mean,
You
yeah.
know? Everybody's gonna think you bought a new truck.
That's it.
Just even this side out right here.
Plenty of duct tape,
Yeah.
you know, that was the main ingredient. A piece of cardboard, a couple pieces of
A little
cardboard,
bit of paint, you
a
know?
little bit of paint. Yeah.
Oh yeah.